To move the cursor, make a V sign. Close the middle finger for a right click. Close the index finger for a left click. This gesture can be used together to create a folder. Use a fist gesture to drag and drop. Pinch and move horizontally to adjust brightness. Pinch and move vertically to adjust volume. Echo open Chrome.
Browsing mode on. Chrome opened.
Echo search Python.
Searched Python.
Echo search tuples in Python. Echo close.
Currently open tabs. Python, Google search. Tuples in Python, Google search.
Now I will manually change the second query in the browser to show that our system tracks the currently active searches. Echo close.
Currently open tabs. Python, Google search. Java, Google search.
Echo close Python.
Closed tab with title, Python, Google search.
Echo close.
Currently open tabs. Java, Google search.
Echo exit.
Chrome closed.
Echo open Excel.
Opening Excel.
Echo open Paint.
Opening MS Paint.
Echo close.
Here are the applications I'm currently tracking. Excel, title, Excel preview, open 0 minutes ago. MS Paint, title, untitled, Paint, open 0 minutes ago.
Echo close Paint.
Closed MS Paint.
Echo close Excel.
Closed Excel.
Echo list files.
Current directory, T1.
Echo open folder 37.
Current directory, desktop.
Echo cut file 2.
Cut, file 8.txt.
Echo open folder demo.
Current directory, demo.
Echo paste file.
Pasted, 8.txt.
Echo list files.
Current directory, demo.
Echo create folder new.
Directory created, new.
Echo list files.
Current directory, demo.
Echo move file a.txt to new.
Good evening. I am Echo. How can I assist you?
Echo turn on safe mode.
Self mode on.
Echo search hotels near me.
Searching for hotels near me. Searched hotels near me.
Echo search how about something with good ratings.
Searching for hotels near me with good ratings. Searched hotels near me with good ratings.
Echo search and low price.
Searching for hotels near me with good ratings and low price. Searched, hotels near me with good ratings and low price.
Echo turn off self mode.
Self mode off.
Echo search Python.
Searching for Python. Searched, Python.
Echo search Java.
Searching for Java. Searched, Java. Send a message on WhatsApp to testing.